Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Largest perimeter triangle. Given an integer array nums, return the largest perimeter of a triangle with a non-zero area formed from three of these lengths. If it is not possible to form any triangle of a non-zero area, return 0. So we have nums is equal to 212 and we have given that 5 is the largest perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but the sum of all the lengths of the triangle. Now 1, 2, 1, 10. So here the triangle is not possible. Let us see what is the condition to form a triangle, right? So the condition to form a triangle is if A, B and C are the lengths of sides of triangle, then A plus B must be greater than C, B plus C must be greater than A, and A plus C must be greater than B. So these three conditions need to be meet. If these conditions met, then only we can form a triangle with these three lengths A, B and C. Now let us take an example here. 3, 2, 3, 6, right? So to get largest or maximum, or if I need to say largest, right? They have given that largest perimeter. I just need largest sides. So to get the largest sides, I'll just sort them so that I'll get 2, 3, 3, 6. Now I'm saying that we just need to only care about, if I take these three, I need to care about if 3 plus 3 is greater than 6. That's it. Why? Because 3 plus 3 is greater than 6. Let me tell you, if I am having 1, 2, 3, right? So if 1 plus 2 is, let me tell you, 1 plus 2 is greater than 3, then all we can form a triangle. Why? Because let us take 2, 3 and then 3. If 2 plus 3 is greater than 2 plus 3 is 5 is greater than 3, the third one, then we can form a triangle. I'll tell you how. Now we have A, B and C. We have got A plus B is greater than C. Now let us see whether B plus C is greater than A and A plus C is greater than B. Now let us see B plus C. B plus C. 3 plus 3 is greater than A. A is nothing but 2. Now A plus C. 2 plus 3 is greater than 3. Yes. 5. Here 6 is greater than 2. Here 5 is greater than 3. So if these two, the sum of these two is greater than this one, then we can form the triangle. But 3 plus 3 is not greater than 6. Now let's go to the to this 3, A, B, C. Now 2 plus 3 is greater than 3, so we can return the largest perimeter we can form by three sides is 2 plus 3 plus 3. So here is the code. This is how we solve this problem, and we have just got through only big O of n. We are just sorting the elements and we are going from the back. I is equal to n minus 3. That means it will be starting from here, here, right? This, wait a second. This is n minus 1, this is n minus 2, and this is n minus 3, right? Starting from n minus 3 and I is going greater than or equal to 0, and I minus minus, we are decrementing from right, we are going to the left. So if nums of I plus nums of I plus 1 is greater than nums of I plus 2, then return nums of I plus nums of I plus 1 plus nums of I plus 2. If not, return 0. This is how you solve this problem. I hope you understood the problem. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.